Every year, Sanford Health hosts an annual blood and lipid screening in Bemidji, and this year they partnered with the Bemidji Rotary Club to raise money for a cause. Kathleen Cohen has the story.
About 100 people came to the Sanford Bemidji Medical Center for day one of the 3-day blood screening event.
This year we partnered with the Rotary to benefit the inclusive playground that's being developed down on the waterfront.
This year's screening serves two purposes: to allow people the opportunity to check their blood to make sure they're in good health, and to raise money for the Paul Bunyan Inclusive Playground.
Rotary has committed to raising $100,000 towards the playground, and we will be receiving some of the proceeds from this event, and that will go directly to our fund to go to the playground.
It's been a win for both of us. Sanford this is an event that we've done just a single day each year, and this year we're doing it for 3 days.
In years past, the blood screening has only tested for lipids, but this year's a bit different.
They have a test for kidney function and for liver function and for anemia.
Triglycerides, the lipoproteins, high density and low density lipoproteins. There's a hemoglobin, a white blood cell count, creatinine, which checks for your kidney function. There's a liver enzyme for liver function, and a glucose to monitor your blood sugar. All good tests for screening for potential risk of heart disease or stroke or diabetes, or if you have one of these conditions or a medical condition, it's just a good way for you to monitor your own health.
The screenings cost $35 per person, and both the Sanford Medical Center and Bemidji Rotary hope to raise a significant amount of money for the inclusive playground, set to be built in the spring of 2016.
We'd like to be able to, ultimately get $10,000 to be able to contribute to the playground. It's quite an expensive undertaking to get it, but it's a great thing. It's something that I think is very valuable for the community.
The blood screenings will be taking place for 2 more days, tomorrow and Friday at the Sanford Medical Center in Bemidji from 7 to 10 a.m. Kathleen Cohen, Lakeland News.
Sanford Health Laboratory technicians would like to remind people to fast for 9 to 12 hours before coming in for the blood screening. The blood screenings are taking place inside the main entrance of the Sanford Health's main hospital entrance in Bemidji, and again, they cost $35. Walk-ins are welcome.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.